proposals that have come through. I want to thank you for doing this. In fact, not stretching it too further, uh, I would not rate any of the ideas because they are still in their nascent stage, and it will require a lot of deliberation as to what would come out in the final form. Uh, my only suggestion is, see, as an institution, fine, and as a management, we are, in talks with a lot of platforms which are available now. I would name one which I can possibly, show evidence enough to prove to the fact that Upgrad is one platform which is, now available, fine, for doing any such like program which has been planned online by everyone, and they have, kind of beautifully come up with ideas. My only thing was that we have many such platforms which are there. Even MOOCs, which started with giving as free thing. Now the time has necessitated where we, because earlier we were not talking of these platforms because there was a taboo of learning online and so on and so forth. And everything, I think, possibly has its own time to kind of come to, and people to have appreciation for that fact. So MOOC, 78 million students now enrolled into it, and the kind of 800 universities coming across collaborating together to offer those programs. Upgrad, why I mentioned, is that Ronnie School wala company started with 3 IITs, combined together. We are trying to get some kind of a deal done with them for our short-term programs, which would be an extension of WIPS in terms of value-added programs to be, and we can categorize them into either student-centric programs or for upskilling and reskilling of a lot of professionals which are there. A lot of proposals have come from their side. I'm in close touch with them, negotiating hard on what it requires, in terms of delivery would be done by WIPS faculty itself. The content, development and other things can be brought in by others. My only suggestion is try and look, deeper into developing these programs into more meaningful engagements, because see, the thing is that if you look around and, into the sea of this program being offered now, almost all universities, big universities are into this now. And to really, have a course which will sell in terms of, its pull that it should be creating. Though we'll start with a push strategy, go to a pull one later on. But at the same time, you have to have very good resource persons who will be your endorsements. I'll share one example of law program that we are working on, just to give you a small window into what is being done in the background. See, law program, I've been talking to very senior, corporate fellows in terms of, people who do IPOs for big companies like Coal India, and their IPOs are like massive in terms of the numbers that they want to generate. So an IPO of 1,200 crores and, 2,000 crore, and a lot of IPOs are coming up. And this is where those corporate lawyers, it's a group of corporate lawyers who possibly, have their cartel kind of a thing. I've been talking to them because one of them is very closely known to me in sense of, she is a National Law University, Bangalore product. And she was suggesting something of this nature, that why can't we have a program, use a platform, use, WIPS faculty, and make a pitch to, corporate lawyers outside, because her experience says that, even with the experience of hands in corporate lawyering, there are very few people who understand what IPO is all about and what are the technicalities that go into an IPO program. So I think that's where we need to, kind of search deeper into what would be the audience, because I know you have done a preliminary job. I'm not saying that, but then a more detailed work, because to enter this kind of a particular domain, you need to have a very strong pull in terms of the resource person you are going to, the resource person whom you are going to use as faculty members. So you have to understand this very clearly, because I don't want these ideas to die down, because I see excitement is there. Everybody is wanting to do it. One should not just go by gut feeling. Business is all about, numbers and seeing the audience and, connecting with that audience, and then, being able to make that pitch. So we may be good about, we may have a good, gut about doing a particular thing, but then that gut should be, don't take me twice, but then it should be appealing to others who are takers and would give you the value for money. So anybody who's working, I think, should work along this. We are working on platforms. I gave you one example. There are two more. It is still in the nascent stage. I don't want to disclose their names, But then Upgrad, I thought I would put everybody in, in picture, because they are ready to collaborate with us. They have IIT Madras collaborating with them. They have IIT Bangalore. You can go and search for Upgrad. You will possibly see, all big names in education, joining on that platform. So that's an opportunity given to us by God, and I think we should be able to take it forward and take these ideas forward, and we should be able to give a good pitch to them that these are the programs that are being offered. So that was my say, Siddharth uncle. Thank you so much. I think that's wonderfully done, and congratulations to everybody for this. Very interesting, I would say, and very engaging. I have been on the background listening to a lot of videos have been sent to me, as recordings that I've been seeing, trying myself, hands on to see how technology works, what are the advantages of it, and how can we take it forward. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.